G'day guys, Matt from the Yard Brisbane here with Ryan from RL Marine. He's currently working on the Crusader Tugs Winch. Now mate, what work are you getting up to getting this thing back in order?
We're doing a full strip down, so full tear down the winch, all bearings off, all seals out, full degrease, and then a full reassemble. So new bearings, new grease, new seals, even new grease nipples. So yeah, the whole show.
Fantastic, sounds like a lot of work. Awesome mate. So what's going on here with the bearings?
So we're just installing the new roller bearing for the pedestal.
Yep.
This pedestal takes the load of the winch, so it's quite important that it's up to spec, and that's why we replaced it.
So a winch is apparently a very important part of a tugboat. What kind of things does a tugboat do with its winch?
Yeah, the winch allows the tug to store its big 100-metre long rope. It's very heavy and can't be retrieved by hand, so it's the only way to get the rope back on the ship. And for when they're towing ships, sometimes it'll hold up to 50 tonnes. So yeah, it's a very crucial part to the tug's operation.
Yeah, brilliant stuff.